Hey, Mike Brailsford of Brailsford Woodworks again. Today I'm going to do yet another Shou Sugi Ban bowl. I stopped and got several more colors of dye. I'm going to try them in a different way. I'm going to try to get a more vibrant color out of them. And so let's get going and see what I can do. It's gonna be time for some fire, but let me first get all these chips up. All right, time to burn the first of these two. burn bowl number 2. So the pro tip I got in the last Shou Sugi Ban bowl I made was, instead of mixing the trans dye tint with alcohol, mix it with water, because they seem to get better color out of the water than they did out of the alcohol. Yeah, the downside is you got to let it wait longer to dry with the water, of course, but I'm going to give it a shot. Here we go. Maybe. I don't know how good a look at it we're gonna get on the burnt part. I won't really get to see it till we turn the inside, but gotta let these dry for now and we'll come back to it. Oh yeah, I kind of like that color. All right, let's take this one off. Yeah, I'm not real sanguine on how well this green is going to take in here because there's a lot of sap in this one. But we'll give it a go and see what it comes up with. Oh, gotta scorch it first. Yeah, I don't know how much I'm gonna get in there, but we'll try her out. Very splotchy. Very splotchy. Yeah, well, I don't think I can do any better with this one because there's just too much sap. We'll see, maybe I'll get surprised by how it looks tomorrow when I put poly on it and it, it might give an interesting pattern. But at any rate, that's all I'm doing for tonight. I'll come back to it tomorrow after it's nice and dry. Okay, so I'm back with my last two Shou Sugi Ban bowls. This is the green one. This piece of wood had a whole lot of sap in it, and so it didn't take the stain the way I had hoped. I could have told a story and said, this is what I meant to do, because it's an interesting modeled pattern. But nope, it's just the way it happened. So I've got 2 coats of poly on it on the front. All I've got to do is turn them around and take the tenons off and finish the bottoms, and these 2 will be done. So let's do that now. Okay, so here's the two bowls. As you can see, like I said, the green didn't take as well as I would have hoped. It's due to how much sap was in this piece of wood, but the outside came out pretty darn good. I'm actually very pleased with it. I just love this texture from this method, and the yellow stain actually came out outstanding. I mean, I'm very happy with that. I love the striping from this mild scorch I gave on the inside of the bowl, and honestly, this one, the outside is probably the best one I've had done so far. So with these, I'm going to put several more coats of polyurethane on them before I call them done, and that'll do. But overall, I'm pleased with them. I'm still going to try more of this in the future, but for now, I'm going to try to move on to other projects. I still have to finish my shop. So if you like the stuff I've done, take a look at some of the other links. They'll be above me on both sides, and please click like and subscribe. Please stay safe, and y'all have a nice day.